That's crazy. I don't even know what that is.
That's crazy.
I felt that one right here.
All right, so I met up here with Frank, and this is like the second time we've come back for water already. It's hot as hell out here. AJ's just getting here. There's so many cars here. There's like, if each one of them's $300,000, there's 25 or 30 of them here. Do the math, it's a fuck ton of money. It's crazy. Great manifestation right here. You can sit in it if you want. You can sit in it if you want.
Oh.
No, I'm just playing.
You said that. I guess I'm getting interior.
Yeah. Live and in action.
Make it on the YouTube again.
That's right. I can have a V12. They're really holding up traffic. Guys, I will tell you what, the last 3 days have been great. To go from Lincolnton one day to the Junkyard the next day to the Lamborghini show the day after that is crazy. Life is crazy. AJ, thanks for the invite. Frank and Eric and Bones and Alora. It's good to see you guys. Naj, it was good to meet you. Troy, it was good to meet you. I'll leave you guys with one more quote stolen from my new friend Carson. Passion truly shows in the product of the makers who live and love their craft. That is these guys right here. If you're on Instagram and want to be inspired, be sure to give them a follow. They love their craft. I love to see it. The link will be in the description below. Thank all you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.